In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Gmail account permanently. 5 minutes. Before we begin, a quick note on what this actually does. The path we're taking deletes your entire Google account, not just Gmail. That means your emails, Drive files, photos, YouTube, contacts, and any other data tied to that account will be removed. Make sure you're signed into the correct account and that you truly want it gone. Start on any Google page in your browser. In the top right, click your account icon. From the menu that opens, choose Manage Your Google Account. This takes you to your Account Hub. Along the left side, select the Data and Privacy section. This is where Google keeps all of your controls for data management, downloads, and deletion. Scroll down the Data and Privacy page until you reach the More Options area. Here, look for the option labeled Delete Your Google Account and select it. Google will ask you to verify it's really you, so enter your current account password and click Next. Verification protects your data from being deleted by mistake, so make sure you have the correct password handy. You'll land on a page that summarizes what will be deleted and gives you tools to keep a copy. Before you proceed, choose the Download Your Data option. This opens Google's export tool, which lets you save emails, Drive files, calendar entries, and more. Take a moment to pick the products you care about, choose an export format, and start the download. Depending on how much you have stored, the export can take some time, and Google may email you when it's ready. Once your backup is handled, return to the deletion page. You'll see two acknowledgments. The first confirms that you're responsible for any charges tied to the account, such as pending subscriptions or purchases, and that in certain cases, earnings may not be paid out. Read it carefully and check the box if it applies. The second confirms that you want to permanently delete this Google account and all its data. Checking this means you understand you'll lose access to Gmail for this address and won't be able to sign in to Google services with it. When you're ready, click Delete Account. Google will process the request and remove the account and its data as outlined. That's it. You've permanently deleted your Gmail by deleting the associated Google account. Keep your exported files in a safe place and consider updating any services where you use this email so you don't miss important notices.